welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that's Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and it's the Spring Bar Cart Collaboration 2020. And this is a collaboration that is being hosted seasonally by these ladies. And what they have asked us to do is to style our bar carts for spring and to feature a signature drink. Well, you know, we're all in isolation, and unfortunately, I could not go to the store to get the ingredients for my signature drink. But what I like to drink are mojitos. And I do have the skinny syrup here. I just do not have any rum, but that is actually my signature drink, a mojito. And that's what I like to drink during the spring and summer. So let's get on with the bar cart. So this is how I have decorated my bar cart for the Spring 2020 Bar Cart Collaboration. And since Easter is right around the corner, I have decorated with my little bling Easter bunny that I picked up from Home Goods. You saw him in a previous tablescape, but I did not use him there. I thought he would look perfect on the bar cart for spring. Along with the bar cart, I have my DIY egg, and I have put a Totally Dazzled brooch on it to bling it out. It complements the bunny and my bar cart very well. I have my mirrored wine glasses. They are oh so pretty, and I think they also go really well on the bar cart. You know I love florals, so I had to keep these lilies, the Easter lilies, along with the black tulips on the bar cart. I absolutely love them, and they will probably stay out for the summer. We'll see. We have my wine decanter with the silver knob. The rhinestone knob is oh so pretty. I picked that up from Home Goods, along with my bling martini shaker, and it's all glam and just blingy. I love it. It's got my black and white, which you know are my signature colors, along with a touch of glam, and I absolutely love it. I left the bar towels that feature different drinks. As you can see, it says martini and a Moscow Mule recipe, so I thought that was appropriate, so I left that. I have my marble coasters, which I picked up from Burlington. I think they were like $7.99. Again, my signature drink is the mojito, so we have that. I left my bling tray along with my Cheers cutting board. We have the Parisian wine glasses that I thrifted from the Goodwill. I just love the way they look, so I left them on the bar cart. We have a whiskey decanter back there. And because it's Easter, I also have my little white and black eggs. And I also did a DIY on this little egg here with a feather. And I thought it was really cute. So this is my Spring Bar Cart Collaboration 2020. I want to thank Marilyn and the Diva, Kimberly Davis, for hosting this collaboration. Again, it was so much fun participating, ladies. Thank you so much for hosting. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new here and this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I love decorating my home on a budget. A lot of the things you see here came from thrifting or on clearance from TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or Marshalls. Those are my favorite stores. If home decor is something you enjoy as well, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Become a part of my YouTube family. I will leave a link of the playlist of all the participants below, and so we can all enjoy the wonderful content that is yet to come. As I said, we're all in social isolation and we're all just trying to deal with it, waiting for the day it will all be over. We don't want it to be over so soon that we all go out and end up getting sick, which is not what we want. So hopefully one day soon we will be out and about, back to our regular activities. But until then, we have our YouTube videos from our great content creators to keep us busy while we wait for the world to start again. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive. We will get through this one day at a time, and we will get through this together. And so until next time, I will see you in my next video. All right, guys. Bye-bye.